Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So to get started, you need to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, though it will look a bit worse than this. But if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip. Straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. Once you've either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located on the same side where you have your power and volume buttons. Oops, say that again. Gonna find the little insert area and push the pin in. And you'll see once you push it in, the tray pops out enough for you to be able to for the tray to be pulled out. On the tray, you have space for one SIM card and one SD card. Now, unfortunately, I don't have an SD card to actually slap in here. But you just place it with the little chip side upwards, so it's kind of like showing right here at the bottom. And just make sure that you clip it on all the way. There are little retention brackets right here at the top, and the SIM card looks like it has also some retention brackets, so same thing, just make sure that it is clipped in correctly. Easy way to check out if you got it in there in the correct way is flip the tray over. If any of the cards pop out, that means that they weren't seated all the way. Fix it up, and then once it's all good, you can pop it back into your device. And you can see that the SIM card, at least that I have inserted, automatically starts working. So all I need to do is just confirm the SIM card pin, and that's it. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.